Hello friends, I'm Anand, your tech guide from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest Ideacentre 3i desktop. This is the latest Lenovo desktop which Lenovo has launched in 2021, and it comes in variants of Core i3 10th generation and Core i5 10th generation also. Even the AMD Ryzen variants will look absolutely the same and will have same way to upgrade and replace the different components that we're going to show you. So let's get started. The front here, there is a power button on the top, then headphone and mic are separated, so that's a good thing. You don't have a memory card reader over here, it is blocked here, and there is no circuitry behind it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 super speed USB 3.0 ports in the front. On my right here, you will see the grayish tone, and it has got this perforated area for heat dissipation. It has got this dual tone over here, silver and grey. It gives a very good premium finish. On the top also the same color is there. On the left, my left, there is absolutely no other perforated area whatsoever. On the rear, you can see a headphone out. It does not have a mic combi, it has only got a headphone out. And then you have a HDMI 1.4, you have a VGA port, you have a gigabit Ethernet, you have two 3.0s and two 2.0 USB ports, and the power inlet. First thing first, you need to remove this one screw so that the top loader panel can be removed of the cabinet. Then just pull the panel out. So you'll have access to the inners of the Lenovo Ideacentre 3. This is the SMPS power supply. It is a 80 plus bronze 180 watt max output SMPS power supply, and a 16x graphic card and a 1x PCI Express card slot. Over here you can upgrade max 2GB to 4GB of a small form factor graphic card over here. This is the fan duct area and the processor fan, hard drive, and a lot of things are hidden below the hard drive, so we will go ahead and remove the hard drive for you, for which you need to remove the front loading door here. This 1, 2 and 3 notches have to be removed, and just need to hold it up like this and remove the front loader here. You need to remove the cables connecting to the hard drive. This is the power cable and this is the data cable, and then you need to remove the screw over here, and then you need to remove this panel over here, and the hard drive will be out. Just remove these screws over here. So once you remove the screws, the hard drive will be out. Take a similar 3.5 form factor SATA hard drive. You can go up to 4 terabyte hard drive on this, 1, 2 or 4 terabyte hard drive, and you can also use a 2.5 inches SATA SSD by using a SSD bracket to be mounted inside. You can buy it on our website techstore.co.in and you can fit it back inside. Let's go to the RAM and the m.2 SSD part here. So the RAM is over here, 2 RAM bays. So you need to remove the RAM stick if you want to replace it with a higher capacity RAM. You just need to remove this notch over here and pull up the RAM, and the RAM will be out. So for a Core i3 and a Core i5 variant, the Core i3 variant you need to buy a 2933 MHz DDR4 low voltage RAM. This is the RAM that you need to buy. It cannot go beyond 2933, so don't use a 3200 for this. And for a Core i5, if it is 11th generation, then take a 3200 MHz. Take a similar RAM, 4GB, 8GB, 16GB. The total RAM upgrade capacity is up to 32GB. So 16GB plus 16GB, you can upgrade up to 32GB on this particular desktop. Now I need to put it back. So just have a look here. Remove the notches in the cavity and just press it from the top. You'll hear locking sound. So it's a good thing on part of Lenovo that they have also given m.2 nvme SSD slot, although it is not very immediately visible, but we are going to help you out with that. So this is where the m.2 SSD slot is. This is over here, and you can put a m.2 nvme SSD like this. You can just take a nvme SSD of any brand, irrespective of the brand. You can go up to 1 terabyte nvme SSD m.2. You can buy a 250, 256GB, 500, 480, whatever suits suits your budget and preference. Need to remove this screw over here. You need to remove these two wires from the wire holder and make some space for the SSD to be fitted. Just take the SSD and you can install the SSD very comfortably like this. Now coming to the CMOS cell over here, just take a tweezer like this and you can just press it and the CMOS will be out. So if you are using this particular desktop and you're having time and date issues, then you have to replace it with a CR2032 CMOS cell. It's a 3-volt CMOS cell. Just take a similar cell like this and insert it and just press it and it will hold on very comfortably. This here is a Wi-Fi chip. Just remove this one screw over here and you can replace the Wi-Fi chip. There are two antennas which you have to remove, the two antenna cables, and you can have the Wi-Fi chip replaced if it is not working. So let's put it back. Now take the hard drive once fitted and very comfortably put it like this. Over here, just press this part over here so that it fits fine onto the notch. Let us fit the cables back. This is the SATA cable, this is the power cable. Put it up here and then press it gently. This, my friends, was a video showing you the latest Lenovo Ideacentre 3i. In the video we have shown you how to also upgrade the RAM, put another hard drive or a m.2 nvme SSD, or remove your CMOS cell or Wi-Fi chip, and literally everything, even the power SMPS. This is a good addition by Lenovo, the Ideacentre 3i. It comes in two variants, Core i3 and Core i5 right now, and it's a very good entry-level budget desktop. It does not come with MS Office, although, which was desired. It only comes with a Windows 10. It comes with 1 year warranty. It comes bundled with a 21.5 inches full HD IPS panel screen, and it comes with a wired keyboard and mouse. The price is around 35,000 rupees here in India for the Core i3 variant, and the Core i5 variant costs you around 46,000 rupees. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Do let us know your suggestions and comments. Do not forget to subscribe us and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.